Hello friends! Welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make lemon-shaped macarons. You ready? Let's get started. Yellow macaronage I made. It's falling as a lava. And I transfer yellow macaronage into piping bag with round piping tip. It's Wilton 12. I'm placing baking mat and I'm gonna pipe round macaron shells. Moving my baking mat, placing on a baking pan or baking sheet, and I'm gonna be tapping the tray. You can do with your hand, or you can place kitchen towel and tap it. However you do, and it's ready to bake. And now my lemon macaron shells baked. They've been cooled already on a countertop, and I start pairing them. I'm pairing them with one round macaron shell and one shaped, just like this. You can also, if you like, you can pair both shaped macaron shells, but it's hard sometimes to find the same size. So I decided to pair just like this, just one round and one shaped. It's gonna be easy to place in a box or on a plate, just like this. To fill these macarons, I'm gonna be using my lemon curd. I have recipe on my blog. I placed in a piping bag, and I made Swiss marine buttercream. The recipe I also have on a blog. The lemon curd I placed just in a piping bag, and I cut the tip. You can also use just straight from the jar with a teaspoon or tablespoon. The Swiss marine buttercream I'm going to be placing in the piping bag with Wilton 12 piping tip. There's two ways you can actually pipe to fill these macarons. You can make this round, just like this, and then place lemon curd in the middle. And when you're using lemon curd for the filling, my little tip, on another shell you need to pipe also some cream or ganache, like this. Another way you can pipe the filling for the lemon macarons. You can pipe just normal amount, this little dot, and then place the lemon curd straight into the middle of this filling, and then cover with another shell, just like this. So it's up to you how you like to pipe. I even left some round macarons just without shape. Then just pipe a little dot on another side. Lemon curd in the middle. And just like this. Well, I hope you like my lemon-shaped macarons. Happy baking!